नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटरमध्ये आपले खूप खूप स्वागत। कोविड-19च्या या सद्यस्थितीत आपल्या शाळा बंद असल्या तरी आपले ऑनलाईन शिक्षण चालूच आहे आणि गेले वर्षभर आपण हा ऑनलाईन अभ्यास करत आहोत। त्याचसाठी आपली शिक्षणाची गती कमी होऊ नये म्हणून बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटरच्या माध्यमातून काही व्हिडिओंची निर्मिती करण्यात आलेली आहे। मी निलिमा कदम, आपली व्हर्च्युअल शिक्षिका। आजचा घटक आपण बघणार आहोत
इयत्ता 8वी गणित मॅथ्स। आजचा आपला घटक आहे क्षेत्रफळ, एरिया। क्षेत्रफळ यामध्ये आपण मागील भागामध्ये समांतरभुज चौकोनाचे क्षेत्रफळ, समभुज चौकोनाचे क्षेत्रफळ व समलंब चौकोनाचे क्षेत्रफळ या क्षेत्रफळांची सूत्र व त्यावर आधारित उदाहरणे अभ्यासलेली आहेत। त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळाचं सूत्र सुद्धा आपण अभ्यासलेलं आहे। त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ बरोबर 1/2 पाया गुणिले उंची। एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल is equal to half into base into height. In this triangle ABC, BC is the base, paya, and AM is the height of the triangle, त्रिकोणाची उंची। यापैकी कोणत्याही दोन गोष्टी दिल्या तर आपण तिसरी गोष्ट काढू शकतो। If base and height is given, we can find out area of the triangle. If area of triangle and base is given, we can find height. Similarly, if area and height is given, we can find out base of the triangle. आता त्रिकोणाची उंची दिलेली नसेल परंतु त्रिकोणाच्या 3 बाजूंची लांबी दिली असेल तर त्या त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ कसे काढतात ते आपण आता बघणार आहोत। बघा, त्रिकोणाचं क्षेत्रफळ काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला त्रिकोणाचा पाया आणि उंची लागते हे आपण बघितलं। पण जेव्हा उंची दिलेली नसते परंतु त्रिकोणाच्या 3 बाजूंची लांबी दिलेली असेल तर त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ कसे काढतात ते सूत्र आपण आज अभ्यासणार आहोत। नाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल व्हेन द हाइट इज नॉट गिवन बट लेंथ्स ऑफ 3 sides of a triangle are given. Now in this figure, this is a triangle ABC. Okay. Now take BC as A, AC as B, and AB as C. So let A, B, C be the lengths of side BC, AC, and AB respectively. Now we know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the lengths of the sides of the triangle, right? तर त्रिकोण ABC च्या बाजूंची लांबी ABC आहे, याची आपण परिमिती काढूया। परिमिती बरोबर A अधिक B अधिक C, तिन्ही बाजूंची बेरीज। सो पेरिमीटर विल बी इक्वल टू A plus B plus C. आता या त्रिकोणाची आपल्याला अर्ध परिमिती काढायची आहे। तर अर्ध परिमिती काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? परिमितीला हाफ ने गुणावं लागेल। ओके, सो अर्ध परिमिती बरोबर A plus B plus C upon 2 किंवा हाफ into A plus B plus C. So to find semi perimeter, we have to divide this perimeter by 2, or we can say multiply the perimeter by 1 upon 2, right? So semi perimeter of triangle ABC will be equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Now when the height is not given but lengths of 3 sides of a triangle are given, in that case we need to find semi perimeter of that triangle. Remember, okay? Now dear friends, remember when the 3 sides, that is lengths of three sides are given, and with the help of these three sides we are finding the area of a triangle. This formula is given by Heron, and therefore this formula is known as Heron's formula, Heronचे सूत्र. So this is a triangle ABC with BC as A, AC as B, and AB as C. We know that semi-perimeter of this triangle will be equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay, this is the semi-perimeter. Now, semi-perimeter is S. With the help of these three lengths, we can find out semi-perimeter, and with the help of this semi-perimeter, we can find the area of this triangle with the formula which is given by Heron. तर त्रिकोणाचं क्षेत्रफळ या अर्धपरिमितीच्या सहाय्याने आपण काढू शकतो, आणि ते सूत्र आहे वर्गमुळात S इंटू S मायनस A इंटू S minus B into S minus C. So this is Heron's formula. Area of triangle will be equal to square root of S. S is semi-perimeter into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So this formula is known as Heron's formula. So let's see how to calculate the area with the help of this formula. एका त्रिकोणाच्या बाजू 17 सेंटीमीटर, 25 सेंटीमीटर व 26 सेंटीमीटर आहेत, तर त्या त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. आपण थोडक्यात आकृती काढून घेणार आहोत. So if the sides of a triangle are 17 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 26 centimeter, find the area of the triangle. आकृती आवश्यक आहेच असं नाही, but for safer side we will draw a triangle. Okay. Now after drawing this triangle, let's name this as ABC. Now A is equal to 17. Let's take A equal to 17, B equal to 25 and C equal to 26. Okay. Now how to give this A? So in front of A equal to 17, this is A, B and C. We want to find area of the triangle. Now to find the area, here height is not given, only the lengths of sides of a triangle are given. Therefore we need to find semi-perimeter of this triangle. So first write down the formula. Semi-perimeter is equal to S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay. Keeping this value of A, B, C in this formula, S will be equal to 17 plus 25 plus 26 upon 2. Add this 17, 25, 26. Doing addition, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 7, 18. Carry 1. Total is 68. Okay. 2 to 4 and 2 6, 68. Therefore S will be equal to 68 upon 2. Dividing by 2, we will get 2 ones are 2. Here 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. Therefore S will be equal to 34. Okay. So semi-perimeter of this triangle is 34. Now we want to find area. आता आपल्याला क्षेत्रफळ काढायचंय. आपण ABC च्या किमती लिहून घेऊ. S आपण काढलाय 34. आता हेरॉनचा फॉर्म्युला area of a triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, so is equal to under root S is 34, 34 minus A is 17. Next S minus B, therefore 34 minus 25, and S minus C 34 minus 26. Okay, now let's solve this. 34 into 34 minus 17, that is 17. 34 minus 25, 9, and 34 minus 26, which is 8. Okay, so 34 into 17 into 9 into 8. आता हे आपण एवढं शोधलं. आता हा गुणाकार आपण केला. See, observe this carefully. If we multiply this figure, again we have to take square root of whole these multiplication, and this process is very complicating. Okay, तर आपण हा गुणाकार करून त्याचं वर्गमूळ काढायला गेलो तर ती जी पूर्ण प्रोसेस आहे ती खूप किचकट होणार आहे, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होणार आहे. अँड देअरफॉर instead of that, here we will factorize these numbers. कसं आता फॅक्टर्स पाडायचे? नाउ सी, स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 4. So in square root of 4, how we will write this? Is equal to 2 into 2, right? That will be equal to 2. Square root of 9 is equal to under root 3 into 3, which will be equal to 3. This we have learned in the chapter square root, cube root, right? So we know that when we write twice number in the square root, that number is the square root of that number itself. So same process we will do it here over here. Now see here 34. Here 17 is there. So we can write 34 as 17 2s are 34. Okay. Similarly 9 we can write it as 3 into 3. So 17 into 2 into 17 as it is. 9 is 3 into 3. Okay, now see here, I will take another, this is for 17. 17 into 2, that is 34. Next 17 as it is here. Next 9 is writing as 3 into 3, and 8, see here, 8 will be we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2, because already 2 is over here. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. So 17 into 17, that is 17 square. 3 into 3, that is 3 square, and 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 is 4 square, right? Therefore, which will be equal to, after taking square root, we will get 17 into 3 into 4. And this will be equal to 17 3s are 51 into 4, which will be equal to 204. So, area of this triangle will be equal to 204 square centimeter, because the lengths are given in centimeter. Okay, now remember, only the process is here calculating square root. वर्गमूळ काढणं ही पद्धत या ठिकाणी अत्यंत महत्त्वाची आहे, आणि वर्गमूळ काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करायचे आहे, ह्या ज्या दिलेल्या संख्या आहेत त्या स्प्लिट अप करायच्या आहेत इझी वे मध्ये. सोप्या पद्धतीने आपल्याला त्या स्प्लिट करायच्या आहेत. कसं करायचं ते तुम्हाला मी आता सांगितलं बघा. 34 17 दुने 34, 17 ऑलरेडी आहेत, म्हणजे 17 गुणिले 17 आपल्याला मिळते 17चा वर्ग. 9 3 गुणिले 3 आणि 8 ही संख्या आपण 2 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 2 या रूपात लिहिली. या ठिकाणचे 2 या ठिकाणी गेले, म्हणजेच 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, this is 16 and 16 is 4 square. So in this way we can find the area of the triangle when the three sides are given. One more example we will try this. एका त्रिकोणाच्या बाजू 45 सेमी, 39 सेमी व 42 सेमी आहेत, तर त्या त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. A is equal to 45 centimeter, B is equal to 39 centimeter and C is equal to 42 centimeter. We want to find area of this triangle. Okay, now three sides are given, therefore first of all we will find out semi perimeter. अर्ध परिमिती आपण पहिले काढणार आहोत. सूत्र लिहा. Semi perimeter is equal to S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. आता किमती घालूया. A म्हणजेच 45 अधिक 39, B म्हणजे 39 अधिक C 42 upon 2. ऍडिशन करूया आपण याची. बेरीज करा. किती आली? 126. 9 अधिक 10, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, plus 3, 8, plus 4, 12. So 126 upon 2, dividing by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Therefore, semi perimeter will be equal to 63. Okay? इथपर्यंत आपण आलेलो आहोत. आता आपल्याला क्षेत्रफळ काढण्यासाठी हेरॉनचा फॉर्म्युला वापरावा लागेल. Now A is equal to 45 centimeter, B is equal to 39 centimeter and C is equal to 42 centimeter. S we have calculated, it is 63 centimeter. Okay. Now using Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. Putting the values of S and A, B, C accordingly will be equal to under root S is 63 into 63 minus 45 into 63 minus 39 into 63 minus 42. Now 63 minus 45, calculate this. How much is it? It is 13 minus 5, 8, that is 18. 63 minus 39, 13 minus 9, 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, that is 24. And 63 minus 42, this will be equal to 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 4, 1, 2, 21. Okay. Therefore, 63 into 18 into 24 into 21. Right? Now, next step, what we have to do? We have to factorize these numbers. We have to split this number, that is 63. Now 63 we can write it as 7 9s are 63. Okay, will be equal to 7 into 9. 18 we can write it as 9 2s are 18. 24 we can write it as 8 3s are 24. And 21 we can write it as 7 3s are 21. Okay. Now, what we are doing? Writing similar numbers together. So 7 into 7, this 7, 7, 2 times. Then 9, 9, 2 times. 8 into 2, that is 16. See here, 8 2s are 16. And 3 into 3. Okay. Next. That will be equal to 7 square into 9 square into 8 2s are 16 is 4 square into 3 square. Taking square root will be equal to 7 into 9 into 4 into 3. Okay. After multiplying we will get 7 9s are 63 So 63 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 6 4s are 25. 24 plus 1, that is 25. Into 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Therefore, the answer will be 756. Right? So, area of this triangle will be equal to 756 square centimeter. तर अशा प्रकारे वर्गमूळ काढताना थोडंसं आपल्याला संख्यांची जुळवाजुळव करून घ्यावी लागेल. वर्गमुळात त्या संख्या कशा येतील त्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला बघावं लागतील आणि त्यानुसार नंतर आपण त्या संख्यांची अरेंजमेंट करून वर्गमूळ त्याचं घेतलं आणि गुणाकार करून आपण उत्तर काढलेलं आहे 756 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर. तर अशा प्रकारे दिलेल्या त्रिकोणाच्या बाजूंच्या मापांवरून आपण त्रिकोणाचं क्षेत्रफळ काढू शकतो. आकृतीत दाखवलेली मापे लक्षात घ्या व चौकोन QRS चे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. आकृतीचं निरीक्षण करा. माप दिलेली आहेत. आपल्याला या चौकोनाचं क्षेत्रफळ काढायचं आहे. Look at the measures shown in the adjacent figure and find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. First of all, observe the figure carefully. This is the quadrilateral APQRS. Right? Now, as you see in the figure, there are two triangles. Right? So, area of this quadrilateral PQRS will be equal to area of triangle PSR plus area of triangle PQR. Okay. Now coming to triangle PSR. In triangle PSR, as you see, this is a right angle triangle, right? Measure of angle PSR is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree and therefore triangle PSR is a right angle triangle. Now PS is equal to 36 meter. SR is 15 meter. We want to find area of this triangle PSR. Now coming to triangle PQR. What is given? PQ is 56 meter. QR is 25 meter. Now here height is not given. Similarly, the third side is not given. So we want to find length PR. So PR is equal to how much? And area of triangle PQR. So for finding area of triangle PQR, we have to use Heron's formula. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी हेरॉनच्या फॉर्म्युलाचा सूत्राचा उपयोग करावा लागणार आहे. पहिले आपण PSR कडे जाऊया आणि नंतर आपल्याला काढायचं आहे चौकोनाचं क्षेत्रफळ. Now in triangle PSR, it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, area of triangle PSR is equal to half into product of sides forming the right angle. 1/2 गुणिले काटकोन करणाऱ्या बाजूंचा गुणाकार. काटकोन करणाऱ्या बाजू कोणत्या आहेत? PS आणि SR is equal to half into length SR, that is base, into length PS, which is height. Okay, these are the sides forming right angle. SR is given, PS is given. Putting the values is equal to half into 15 into 36. Dividing by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Will be equal to 15 into 18, and which will be equal to, see here, 18 into 15. 15 eights are 120. Carry 12. 15 ones are 15 plus 12, that is 27. So the answer will be 270 square meter, because this is given in meter, right? See, this is in meter, therefore the unit will be 270 square meter. Now, area of triangle PSR finished. Area of triangle PSR is equal to 270 square meter. Now next, in triangle PQR, PQ is given 56, QR is given 25. We want to find PR. So PR equal to how much? And with the help of this area of triangle PQR. Now here three sides. We want to find third side. And next, using Heron's formula, we want to find area of triangle PQR. Now, as you see in triangle PSR, measure of angle PSR is 90 degree, right? So this is right angle triangle. So this is base and this is height. So right angle triangle and PR is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So using Pythagorean theorem, we can find out the length PR. Okay. So by Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square, that is PR square, will be equal to PS square plus SR square. PS and SR is given. Putting the values, length PR square equal to 36 square plus 15 square. Now 36 square, multiply 36 into 36. So we will get it as 1296 plus 15 square is 225. Adding this 1296 plus 225, 6 plus 5 11, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, plus 2 12, again carry 1. This is 2 to 4 plus 1 5 and 1. So 1521. So length PR square is equal to 1521. Now taking square root of both the sides, length PR equal to square root 1521. Now we want to find the square root of this number. वर्गमूळ काढूया. 1521 चं वर्गमूळ. Now see here, 1 plus 5 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. So this is divisible by 3. Dividing by 3. 3 5s are 15. 0 3 7s are 21. So 507. Again 7 plus 5 12. This is divisible by 3. So dividing by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. And 3 9s are 27. 169. Now 169 is 13 square. Therefore dividing by 13. 13 13s are 169. 13 1s are 13. So 13 into 3 and 13 into 3. So length PR is equal to 39 square. 13 3s are 39. 39 square. And therefore length PR is equal to 39 meter. Okay. Now in triangle PQR, PQ is there, QR is there, PR is there. So PR is 39 meter. Triangle PQR, A equal to 56, B is equal to 25 and C is equal to 39 meter. First we will find out semi-perimeter. AC is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, which will be equal to 56 plus 25 plus 39 upon 2. Adding this, 6 plus 5 11 plus 9 20, carry 2. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7 plus 5 12. So 120 upon 2. Okay. Dividing by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 and 0. So S is equal to 60 meter. S, we got it, that is 60 meter, semi-perimeter. AC is equal to 60 meter. Now A, B, C is there S we have calculated 60 meter. Using Heron's formula, area of triangle PQR equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now S is 60. Putting the values will be equal to 60 into 60 minus 56, 60 minus 25 into 60 minus 39. Now 60 minus 56 is 4. This is, so it will be equal to 60 into 4 into 35 into 21. आता आपल्याला याचे फॅक्टर्स करायचे आहेत. सो या 60 हियर इट इज 4. Therefore 60 is 15 4 जा 60. Again 3 5 जा 15. 15 into 4. 35 4 as it is. 35 7 into 5 and 21 7 into 3. So see here 3 3 7 7 5 5 and 4 4. Getting pairs in pairs, numbers we are getting pairs will be equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 7 into 7 is equal to 3 square into 5 square into 4 square into 7 square will be equal to, taking square root, 3 into 5 into 4 into 7. Multiplying this, 3 5 are 15, 15 4 are 60, 60 into 7 is 420. Therefore, the area of triangle PQR is 420 square meter. Okay. Now, area of triangle PSR we have calculated. Area of triangle PQR we have calculated. Now, area of quadrilateral PQRS. Area of quadrilateral PQRS equal to area of triangle PSR plus area of triangle PQR will be equal to area of triangle PSR is 270, area of triangle PQR is 420. Therefore, area of quadrilateral PQRS will be equal to 270 plus 420. Adding this, we will get answer 690 square meter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral PQRS is 690 square meter. So in this way, we can find out the area of the given figure. Observe the figures carefully and then try to find out the areas. सरावासाठी काही उदाहरणं आहेत. पहिलं उदाहरण, एका त्रिकोणाच्या बाजू दिलेल्या आहेत तर त्या त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. दुसऱ्या आकृतीत बाजूच्या आकृतीचे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. Observe this figure and calculate the area of this triangle. So here again sides are given. You have to use Heron's formula. And third one, 13 meter, 84 meter व 85 मीटर बाजू असलेल्या त्रिकोणाकृती शेतातील तण काढण्यासाठी रुपये 7 प्रति चौरस मीटर प्रमाणे किती खर्च येईल. त्रिकोणाच्या 3 बाजू दिल्या आहेत. हेरॉनच्या फॉर्म्युलानुसार क्षेत्रफळ काढून घ्या आणि पुढे प्रश्न काय विचारलाय बघा, 7 रुपये प्रति चौरस प्रमाणे तण काढण्यासाठी किती खर्च येईल. जे क्षेत्रफळ येईल त्या क्षेत्रफळाला 7 ने आपल्याला गुणावं लागेल आणि आपल्याला त्यावरून खर्च काढता येईल. So dear friends, whatever is given, observe. If figure is given, observe that figure. If word problem is given, whatever is given, write down and accordingly solve the questions. So dear friends, try to solve as many problems as you can and practice this. Thank you.
तर आजचा घटक आवडला ना? अशीच माहिती मिळवण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि हे व्हिडिओ पुन्हा पुन्हा पहा. पुन्हा भेटणार आहोत पुढच्या भागात. थँक्यू.